So I'm being lazy today because I can. That's the good news. Everybody can be lazy because what's the point of living if you can't be lazy? So I'm being lazy today, and I wanted to show you, this is part of my living room. It's sometimes we're lucky that it's okay to be white. Sometimes the cats are going bonkers. Then I have like hair everywhere. And I can see that Kaylee's coming on this way. So you know, I have this I have a window in my living room. Kaylee has this relationship with the birds. And the birds come in and they literally whistle at her. And she, like a dog, follow the whistle. It's the craziest thing. See? What did I tell you? That is Kaylee. I know that we're not supposed to be talking about cats, but that's Kaylee saying hello to the birds. Look, she's like ruining my Wi-Fi because like she's all over the place. Kaylee. She's ignoring me because her friends is there. But I'm not going to talk about that today. I wanted to show you my hydroponic part 4. I wanted to cut those, like give those like my little scallion haircut, chip. But then I said yesterday I was making food. I made this soup with spinach. It's really boring. I would have shown you the video, but it's kind of like yucky for you guys. But for me, I have to eat it because I can't be sick. So you know, I put like the organic spinach. And I wanted to put the scallion, so I used the frozen scallion in it. And then I was ready to give the other one like a haircut. Then I said, no, I have to show it because it's hard to believe that I just showed you the last time and boom, it's growing. So I guess I have to show it to you guys again. And it is cold. It is cold. I don't know about if you're in New York City, you know, freezing your behind off, that's for sure. So anyway, let me show you what my thing is, okay, my scallion. So, see? Look at this. This is part 4. Look, it touches that, okay? I really want to cut it, but I thought I showed you guys because you guys never have to buy scallion ever again. Look, this, see, I cut it, and even if you cut it, I already cut this part, which I'm gonna cut this part, and then it'll start growing, even like this one. See, babies, look, there's already shoots coming out, and look, this is the one that I keep cutting, and it keep coming up. I was looking for these scissors. I was like, where is my kitchen scissors? This is actually school scissors. Well, my school, I bought it. So don't anybody panic. We don't steal. So this is my school scissor. I thought, we have so many. We bought extra one. And so all I did is just this. Boom. Timber. And I want a cameraman. I want to have enough money to have a cameraman that I can do this, but there you go. That's my timber, and I'm going to do the same thing for this long one. Boom, and and boom, and that, because I'm going to start cutting. Because yesterday I was going to cut it, but then I thought, I'll wait so that you guys can see how I do it. So I have a kitchen scissors that I cut. See, look at this one. Okay, I'm gonna cut this area, and I did the video. I have no more cockroach, by the way. You know how I did it? You guys have to watch my cockroach video, because I call the landlord and they'll just go blah blah blah, whatever. They're always doing blah blah blah. So this part I'm gonna see, yeah, it's gonna come up yellow, but it's okay, don't worry, it's gonna go more, because this was just recently. And look how far much it's grown. See? That's all I did. See? Look at that. Everybody got a haircut. And they love me because I talk to them all the time. Right, folks? They're a living creature. So this is what I did. So, and I always thank them. I said, thank you for giving me food. See, look. So I'm going to have tons of them. So cockroach. Here, baking soda and a touch of sugar. So whenever I see cockroach, I just, because, my landlord, what are they talking about? Exterminator. Doesn't work. They come in every, Tuesday and Thursday. Useless. So this is what I do. I just give them a little bit. And behind my stove, behind my fridge, and voila, I got it. See, this is my harvest. 1 week, folks. So I put this for my onion because it's a antioxidant and it's good for you. I put omelet, cream cheese, soup, saute something, whatever it is. I'm doing it because look at my babies. All you do is I take an onion and then boom. This is actually from my niece got this for one of the holidays, so I just took that. See, I like glass cup so I can see what's up, and I didn't have to change the water because I am a diva. I don't like to do things that I don't have to do. Look, I'm taking photo, and then now you will see that this is where it came from, and I'll do part 5. It's crazy, but I love it. So even Kaylee loves it. All right, Kaylee, look, she climbs up on the top. Look at this crazy cat. Kaylee, give me a kiss. Hey, she's like all over the place. She's that scallion. She thinks that this is catnip or what's the other one? Grass for cat. So there you go. That is my part 4 of the hydroponic. It's growing. It's crazy. I don't know, but you can make it with cream cheese. You can make omelet. You can make soup. You can. I used to waitress, so I was hold like this. So you can do whatever you want to do with it. Let's see what else. Soup, saute onion with this. Saute with. I had a smoked salmon with cream cheese and scallion. That would be good. Scallion pancake. Who thought about that? Dumplings, egg rolls. 1 week. Save money. Don't go to supermarket and buy stuff. And ta-da! I have a tiny kitchen. You think you would have a big kitchen, right? No. Welcome to New York City. I mean, I'm lucky I have this tiny kitchen. But there you go. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm so happy.